Welcome to my channel World Talks Food Walks. Don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to make masala puri. For that we need peas. These are the dry peas which you get in the market, and you need one small size potato. So I peel the potato skin and just cut it into pieces and then add it to this water so that it will not get blackened. So these dry peas, you have to soak it in water for 10 hours before cooking it, and then we will transfer it to a pressure cooker and then cook it. So before that, make sure you soak it for 10 hours. We need one small sized onion which are roughly chopped, one small tomato or half a cup of tomato, even the tomatoes are roughly chopped, green chilies about 3 chilies. If you need more spicy, add another one. Need ginger and garlic, 4 cloves of garlic and ginger. I'll show you how much we need. It's just like 1 inch of ginger. We will need cloves and cinnamon stick. It's just a small tiny piece of cinnamon, otherwise it will become more spicy. So one small bit of cinnamon stick, and then I'll be using 2 pieces of cloves, a small piece of clove, don't take the bigger one. We need coriander leaves, so it's half a cup of coriander leaves which are nicely washed in water. We will need oil and water as required. Salt to taste. Take a pressure cooker. We'll be transferring the soaked green peas and the potatoes into this, and we will cook about 5 whistles. So once we have the 5 whistles, the green peas and potatoes are fully cooked. Strain the water and mash the cooked peas and potato. Take a pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil. I'm using a small spoon, that's why I'm adding it twice. To this pan we'll be adding onions which are roughly chopped. So I'm retaining a little bit of onion for garnishing in the end. Just frying a little bit. Next I will be adding green chilies. You can just add 3 of them. This will be very spicy. I have added 5 here, so you can just add 3 of them. Then I added ginger and the garlic. Just frying it a little bit. Now I'll add the tomatoes. To this mixture I'll be adding the cloves and the cinnamon. I have powdered it because it's very small and doesn't get powdered in the grinder. So before adding that, I'll just fry it for a minute. This is the powder of cinnamon and the cloves. I'm just roughly powdered it. Just adding water so that it gets little cooked and doesn't get burnt. After cooking for 5 minutes, transfer it to a grinder. We will be grinding this mixture. So once this mixture is ready, we'll take the mashed potatoes and the green peas mixture as well. I'm just taking about 1 teaspoon of the potato and the green peas mixture and adding it to the grinder, so that it gives a nice consistency when you're grinding. And you can also add the coriander leaves at this stage. Don't put it for frying, otherwise you will not get that green color. So add it to the grinder. take a pan again, add 1 teaspoon of oil here. Once the pan gets heated up, then we will add the mixture which is grinded. And this is the potato and the green peas mixture which are mashed. So mix both of them together. Just make sure there are no lumps before adding water. Just give a nice mix and then we can add water. I'm getting a nice aroma. So now I'm adding water. Say about 2 full glasses of water. Don't worry if it is too watery. Once it gets cooked again, and then because of the potato, the mixture will thicken again. So I'm not adding salt. I'll add the salt when then this mixture is fully cooked and it's ready. The mixture has come to a nice boil. Let it boil for another 5 minutes. Keep stirring at the bottom so that it doesn't catch the pan. The masala is now ready. At this stage, I'm going to off the stove and then add salt according to my taste. So if you want the amount of salt what you want to add, it's about ½ teaspoon. First you can add less, you can just taste it and then add again. These are the homemade puris. I didn't buy this from the shop. I'll show you how to make these puris at home in my next video. Can you hear the crunch? I'm adding the prepared masala over the puris. If you can see now, it's not too watery, it's not too thick. I have the right consistency now. I'm not adding any other sweet chutney or the tamarind chutney here. If you need it, you can add the chutneys. I'm garnishing with a little onion. You can also add tomatoes and the save. Thank you for watching.